Assalamu alaikum. In Brainy Stars Montessori, sentence reading begins with a child's journey into the world of language and literacy through careful crafted activities and materials. Young learners explore the magic of words, letters, and sentences. This nurturing environment encourages child to read independently. This approach fosters a love for reading and allows child to progress in their literacy journey at their individual pace, promoting a strong foundation for lifelong learning.